On January 30th, 1835, an event occurred that would forever alter the course of American history. Richard Lawrence, an unemployed house painter plagued by severe mental illness, attempted to assassinate President Andrew Jackson. Lawrence, deluded into believing he was the rightful heir to the British throne, convinced himself that Jackson was preventing him from claiming a vast inheritance. Armed with 2 pistols, Lawrence approached Jackson at the Capitol and fired. Miraculously, both pistols misfired. Experts later confirmed that the guns were indeed loaded and in working condition, making the odds of such a double misfire around 1 in 125,000. This astonishing stroke of luck not only saved Jackson's life, but also became a pivotal moment in history, often attributed to divine intervention by the president himself. Lawrence was swiftly subdued and later declared insane, spending the remainder of his life in a mental institution. This incident highlighted the vulnerabilities of public figures and underscored the unpredictable nature of fate in shaping historical events. The failed assassination attempt on Jackson remains a fascinating testament to the extraordinary odds that sometimes govern our world.